Welcome to the Angular tutorial. So I'm going to start here the Angular application tutorial, which will be a start. I will start from the beginning and I'll go all the use case scenario practically one by one on the application, where we will deal with the API and everything. But we will start from the beginning. To start the application, we need some pre-requirements. So let's start with that, and then we will start with the next. So the first thing on the pre-requirements, we need to know the JavaScript, MVC, model view control about the JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and the application. Angular application is built on the TypeScript 3.4. So definitely we need to know about that as well. So this is a link. You guys can go and learn a little bit about the TypeScript. If you already know about the JavaScript, then it's easy to use, and it's similar, but it's the upgrade version of that. All right, and the most important thing is Node.js. This is also called npm package manager. So this is where we will start the application, we run the application, and we will build the application for prod. So that's the most important thing. So here is the TypeScript link, and here is the Node.js download link for Windows, for Mac, and Linux runaries. There are so many. Whatever you guys need, just download it and ready to start the application. The other thing is the code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. I find it easy. If you find any other editor helpful, go and download it, so we can start with that. So here I'll show you mine. I see the Visual Studio Code. Here on the left I can see the files, on the right I can work with. Here is the terminal, I can run the application here. So I find it easy to start with. So in the next video we will learn about to set up the JSON server, and we will go from there. Thanks for watching. Let's move on.